today's video, we have Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we have an article regarding the mayor of Miami using some of the capital raised in its City Coin project to fund a rental assistance program. So be sure to stick around until the end to not miss any of what's going on here in the crypto sphere. If you like the video, be sure to drop a like on the video. Really appreciate it, and it really helps the channel out a lot. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe as we try to keep these coming at you daily. Looking at Litecoin and EngineeringRobo, we have the Buy For and Moon Robo Advisor throughout the end of July. When two of our chosen three robo advisors became bullish, prices saw up to 64% in gains over the following 39 days. But if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, with our bearish robo advisors in play, you were able to capitalize on 23% ROI, turning a potential $1,000 invested into Litecoin into over $1,230 in just over a month. A potential reinvested $1,230 back into Litecoin when the Buy For and Moon Robo Advisors came back into play throughout the middle of October. You were able to experience 55% in gains over the following 27 days. However, if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, utilizing EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions, you were able to capitalize on 7.5%. turning your potential reinvested $1,230 into over $1,320, allowing you to capitalize on 30% ROI utilizing EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions on Litecoin here. Our most recent interaction with bearish robo advisors from the 18th of November, prices did experience a crippling 52% in downside over the following couple months here. So if you invested into Litecoin during EngineeringRobo's bearish suggestions, you lost just over half of your money. A buy and hold strategy used on Litecoin from that same level throughout the end of July of 2021. You did experience that 109% in gains. However, failure to take profit allowed you to experience a crippling 31% in downside, and at the moment you are still more than 20% down at current levels utilizing a buy and hold strategy. So you can see how we've capitalized on gains here throughout the movement on Litecoin utilizing EngineeringRobo. Moving forward, we do see an interesting situation here as price action returns to support, plowing to and through this $114 level. At the moment here, we are waiting for a second robo advisor to become bearish. We can see this hell suggestion attempting to print. However, we will need this daily candle to close to confirm any sort of sell suggestion we are anticipating. If two of our chosen three robo advisors were to become bearish and daily candles open and close below our support level here, confirming it as resistance, we would potentially consider closing our position at a mild loss with anticipation of reinvesting at our support level down below. $82.20 is going to be the next strongest area of horizontal support here for us if we were to continue any sort of downside. We always go with the flow of the confirmations here. In my personal opinion, we are returning to a potential area of heavy accumulation at these levels. So if you were to experience similar price action, we may be able to find ourselves back above $114 before we know it here. However, we always go with the flow of the confirmations. But let me know down below your thoughts on Litecoin at current levels. A Miami coin to fund a rental assistance program. So the mayor of Miami has taken $5.25 million from the Miami coin wallet to fund this rental assistance program here that is going to potentially assist those affected by increased rental rates going on in the city of Miami here, with a tweet from the mayor of Miami reading, "I'm so excited to announce that the city of Miami has received its first ever disbursement from Mind City Coins totaling $5.25 million. This is a historic moment for our city to collaborate with an innovative project that creates resources for our city through innovation, not taxation." The mayor of Miami pointed to a affordable housing crisis that Miami is facing in light of recent rent prices that don't align with the area's median income. He revealed that the city of Miami has been working closely with the CityCoins team since the beginning of the year to address this issue. Uh, the city of Miami had $15 million in its designated wallet after the latest crypto market crash. However, that wallet did have a high of around $24 million throughout mid-January. In my opinion, still bullish institutional activity here and use case for cryptocurrency. We have the city of Miami, a governing body at play here, utilizing cryptocurrency to benefit its economy and the citizens involved here. So, my opinion, very difficult to be bearish on Bitcoin. We see these very scary lows here coming from, a 50+% correction from all-time highs. So this is Ethereum. We have the buy for and Moon Robo Advisor throughout the end of July, allowing you to experience a 44% in upside on your investment in the following 46 days. We have another instance of the buy for and Golden Cross Robo Advisor combination, allowing you to capitalize on 13% ROI utilizing our buy and sell suggestions. And as we can see, our most recent interaction with bearish Robo advisors coming from that $4,008 level. Ethereum did experience a crippling 45% in downside over the following months before experiencing a significant rebound from my support level. So if you invested while EngineeringRobo was bearish, you lost just about half of your money. Moving forward, we do technically have bullish Robo advisors in play. We were able to put 20% of our investment into Ethereum at our support level here, and we were able to put 50% of our investment into Ethereum when two of our chosen three Robo advisors became bullish, the buy for and Moon combination on the 7th of February. However, we were waiting to put the remaining 30% of our investment into Ethereum once the daily candle opened and closed above it. That's when we would have put our rest of our investment in. At the moment here, we are considering this sell for potentially occurring here. However, this daily candle needs to close to confirm this sell suggestion, and we would need a second Robo advisor becoming bearish to allow for a potential exit here and reinvesting at a more bullish level down below when buy suggestions return. So we always go with the flow of the market and wait for the confirmations. Let me know your thoughts on Ethereum. So Bitcoin, crypto, the currency, currently in a situation here. It would appear we are returning to potential support down below. Still bullish in my opinion for the long term. However, in the short term, this may just suggest that the correction could be taking longer than we may want here. However, we go with the flow of the market, and Bitcoin will do its thing, and it'll get to the highs we anticipate eventually whenever it is ready here, as we do anticipate a six-figure Bitcoin based on current parameters. In my opinion, stick around until the end to see what that's about. At the moment, we have already put 20% of our investment into Bitcoin at my support level throughout the end of January, and we put 50% of our money into Bitcoin when we had two bullish Robo advisors in play, and then the remaining 30% went in when daily candles opened and closed above the descending trend line. At the moment, we are considering this sell for. However, we do need this daily candle to close to confirm that sell suggestion, and potentially considering reducing our Bitcoin position here to reinvest at a more bullish level when buy suggestions come back into play. Based on current parameters, we still have three Robo advisors bullish on Bitcoin, so we do anticipate continued upside until bearish parameters have been suggested here. So at the moment, $58,202 is resistance overhead. Feel free to take some profits at that level. However, we always remain 50% invested until two of our chosen three Robo advisors become bearish here. And so at the moment, we do still consider a six-figure Bitcoin because the fear and FOMO zones here from EngineeringRobo suggest that we are far too close to the fear zone here, it would appear, and you would want to be accumulating when the market is under a state of extreme fear. You want to be, buying the heavily discounted asset, and you want to be considering taking profit when the market is extremely greedy, perhaps within the FOMO zone here. Currently, not until $167,000 per Bitcoin, a level I do anticipate interaction with whenever Bitcoin is ready. In my opinion, a six-figure Bitcoin is to present itself before any sort of fundamental downside is to be considered. We are far too close to a potential bottom in my personal opinion. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin at current levels if you're buying or selling here. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out Engineering Robo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.